our motion for this debate is slang word harm Indonesian language. My opinion in this motion is I agree because slang word can make Indonesian language lose its pride because it will make many young people these days not understand about how to speak Indonesian language properly. That's all my opinion. Now for the opposite team, please your opinion. Thank you so much.
Slang is used in informal chat, such as writing and sentence writing on Facebook that are entertaining to build intimacy or to lighten the mood. Because when using standard language or writing, the atmosphere tends to be formal and not familiar. Basically, there are two main things that are of concern to teenagers, namely identity and ability. The use and writing of language with its characteristics become the formation of these two things. And I want to say that we disagree that the use of slang would harm Indonesian language.
Opposite team opinion because leaving aside the annoying for those who don't understand slang words. Thank you.
I, as deputy leader of opposition, I disagree with the argument of government, a group. So reducing so the slang words can reducing language and annoying students but the benefits and positive effects provided by slang is as an attractive means of communication for liars because according to them using slang means that they have diversified the language, especially for students who usually only use the regional language or Indonesian. And there are two main reasons why students use Indonesian with their own characteristics. The first, they establish themselves as a certain social group, and namely teenagers. Second, it is a form of resistance to the domination of standard language or established language rules. Students feel as if self-identity has a contrast in using the style that becomes their lifestyle, so that those who do not use it will be outdated or old-fashioned. So, I want to emphasize that we still disagree that the use of slang word from Indonesian language. Thank you.
Okay, so in the conclusion, we still agree slang words can override Indonesian because it destroys Indonesian and it can also damage ethics. Besides that, it can make people who are just learning or don't know of slang words because they don't understand and it's slang that is often used. I think that's all for me. Thank you. Asad. From us. Thank you.
Agree. In slang language can destroy language because slang can provide benefit and positive effect. One of them is a means of pouring clarity in non-formal writing. Writing to make it look unique, detailed. Basically, they are to make things they are of concern to teenagers. Namely, identity and mobility. The use and writing of language with primary in total information on the community. Thank you.
Thank you, government and opposite team. I'm going to say congratulations for your debating and give applause, guys, for this group. Okay, now I'm going to announce you about who going to be winner in this section. Okay, saya langsung umumkan siapa yang menjadi pemenang dalam debate ini. Okay, the going to be winner of this debate is going to be Fauzan or opposite team. Congratulations, guys. I'm going to give you reason why. Okay.